Oh, hey.
How are you?
Good. Okay.
Good Thai. They got Thai street food.
Mm-hmm. So they got McDonald's. They got Five Guys, KFC. All of that right by each other. We didn't see none of this yesterday. Yep. Is this a little bump on me? Mm-hmm. You gonna order something?
Yeah.
Yep, order from here. I should have up there. Oh yeah, I don't want no bacon. I just want they got egg. I'll take just the egg one. They ain't got no croissant.
Well, you can buy one croissant right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. I'll take that one. What? Did we get something to drink?
I don't think it has a meal. Hold on, let's see. Let's make one of meals.
They don't do hash browns. They do little baby pancakes.
I'll make it this one.
Okay. I need something to drink. A bottle of water or something. Feel myself in person.
They got a croissant.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you get a coffee or a cappuccino? A coffee. Okay.
Hold on,
The water.
Let me confirm. Oh, let me get you a sandwich.
They got water. What you got? Kid?
They can stand from the dispenser. So
Oh, yeah, so they'll know which one is yours. What is it, 93?
yeah. Oh, keep that.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Il faut aller là. Ouais.
Okay.
No service.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
One,
Okay.
two.
Oh, just
One,
1,
two,
2, 3.
three.
Okay. Now I see Coca-Cola over there. Coke, okay, can we sit right here?